Hello. See when you're sitting in a wheelchair, you're, you're that still half the time. Birds don't even think you're human. I'm sitting just by a bush, and there's wee birds just at my wheels, just at my feet. Just hear wee scuttles and... Anyway, that's not my point of the video. So, I'm in a lot of pain. You can't tell from my face because I've learned to just smile through it. But, not a day. So yesterday morning, sitting in my commode. Commode, by the way, is a very glamorous it's not glamorous at all. Basically a chair for doing a tam tit.
What happened to your head?
I don't know what happened to it.
No hair.
Huh?
It all fell out.
Aye. Grows back though, fortunately for me.
It certainly does. I'm not done again on Monday.
You've always got your hair done, Heather.
That's because it grows so fast, Danny.
I know.
Yours.
Aye. Well, I hope it grows back in the wee crow's nest bit. I'm yet to see it.
It will.
Sorry, commode. It's just like a throne with a hole in the bottom, so get a shower and a shit at the same time. How cool am I? And then coming out of that, usual scenario, fell asleep, but as I fell asleep, there was nothing behind me, and I jerked, and now the pain since yesterday, I spent the whole day in bed because of the pain in my trapezius, and like the muscles either side of the spine, if that is still the traps, and it's still killing me. I think I've almost like just tweaked the wee, so that's round about the area where I'm hypersensitive, like, so obviously broke my neck, C4 level, and you damage those nerves round about that area. There's a certain part of the body where the nerves stop working, and mine's is around about the armpit area, and if you draw an imaginary line around my body, it just kind of crosses over the shoulder blade area, and fuck, man, the pain. There isn't a painkiller on my prescription anyway that'll take it away. Lovely Aileen was round, physio. She gave me a head, neck and shoulder massage whilst I was in my chair, which is perfect, but it's just nothing touches it. So I thought I'd come out and get some fresh air, and I wasn't even going to make a wee video for YouTube, but I realised I had a bit of some fluff in my head, so I thought, right, I'm going to capture this and save it, and look back in 10 years and go, oh man, it's raining. Love a bit of rain. with the pain. To tell you I was in pain. So thanks for I think I'm up to like 28 subscribers now. Don't think you can see who your subscribers are. But thank you to those of you who subscribe. I know you can, it's in the notifications. I think you can see like a little list. So thanks to all of the support so far. It's early days. All the famous YouTubers start off with, really shite videos like this. Joe Rogan, best podcaster in the world. I'm not doing podcasts, but it's like millions of views. I started off in like a basement or something, and he was just chatting shit, same as I am just now, except means it's outdoors in the rain and I'm chatting shit. But I've got a new project I want to do, and I've been all night last night. Well, it's only really been since Wednesday, so it's so early days, but all night last night I was doing research, and then I mocked up an email for everybody that I wanted to contact and sent it away this morning. Guess how many replies? It's now like nearly end of play. Alright, some of these people are in different countries, but there's no excuse. Guess how many replies? None. But I'm not going to give up. I'm going to send out that same email, maybe titivate it a little bit to another load of potential clients. Wow, it's fair raining. It's that wet rain. You know that wet rain? What?
Sorry. It's raining.
Nurse Ratchet.
I'm not Ratchet, yeah.
Oh,
What?
you're live? Or you're not quite live, but you will be. You don't like being live, do you?
No.
Too bad. Oh, she went all quiet. I'm going to be coming in like 5, is that alright? Can you come back?
What's that, darling?
Can you come back in 5? I'm going to
Yes,
be coming back
dear,
in.
of course I'll come back and get you in 5 minutes. Anything else you would like me to do today?
No, that's fine, thanks.
No, okay, thank you. Am I dismissed?
You can stand there and put a little brolly over my head if you want.
Yes, of course, I
Get-
will get you one.
Getting a bit wet. Yeah. Oh, the service in here is just second to none. Said it before. Bum chin. Big John Travolta number. Empty logged off yet? 9 minutes, coming up for my time. I need a house. I need a care package. I need transport. I need a life. Like a little bit more of a life than what I've got. I need to travel. If I don't travel, I will moan. I think I need to go inside my wheelchair making funny it's the rain actually touching the touchscreen. That's how Gucci my wheelchair is. It doesn't need the finger. It's just rain droplets. It's the weekend, baby. Gonna have me some fun. I remember the days I used to, back in the day, sound like an old crusty, but I used to climb mountains and hills and I'd just go for a wee walk in the rain and it was nice. Oh, I need to get out of here, man. My fucking wheelchair's just about to blow up. I need to get under the shelter. And I used to love this shit. But now, oh, freezing, big shivers. I just want to get out of my bed. Watch about YouTube. Study these YouTubers. I think that's going to be my thing. Going to try and be a YouTuber. A lot to learn, I know. Oh. Stranded. Wheelchair broke. There you go. Actually just broke. Oh, 5 minutes right enough. Ha!
Something to keep the rain off you.
Yeah. Wheelchair. You can put that on if you want. That'll do. Is this the one that gets used for about 1,000,000 heads?
You don't have any hair, so you're alright.
Yeah.
You look stupid.
Signing off on that note. Do you want to say anything, June?
Do you want to talk?
Do you want to say anything?
No.
Sure?
Yes, thank you.
Cheers for your help. That was my throat.
That's okay.
Love yous.